A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, Brazil's Supreme Court has ordered former President Jair Bolsonaro to be placed under house arrest amidst a highly controversial trial that has captured international attention. This development comes as Justice Alexandre de Moraes, who has been at the center of the storm, faces severe sanctions from the United States under the Magnitsky Law, which has frozen his assets and restricted his financial dealings. The political atmosphere in Brazil has become increasingly charged, especially following mass protests across major cities like Rio de Janeiro, São Paulo, and Brasilia, where supporters rallied for Bolsonaro and against Moraes and current President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva. The court's decision to impose house arrest on Bolsonaro stems from allegations that he violated precautionary measures by disseminating messages through social media channels linked to his son. Prosecutors have accused Bolsonaro of leading a criminal organization that allegedly plotted to overturn the election results, including plans to assassinate President Lula and a Supreme Court justice. Critics have drawn parallels to the January 6th events in the United States, suggesting that the Brazilian judiciary is following a similar playbook in its handling of Bolsonaro. Justice Moraes, who issued the house arrest order, stated that Bolsonaro's actions demonstrated a blatant disregard for the court's previous restrictions. The ruling not only confines Bolsonaro to his home, but also restricts his communication, allowing visits only from legal representatives or individuals authorized by the court. This move has drawn condemnation from the U.S. State Department, which labeled the court's actions as a violation of democratic principles. Donald Trump has also weighed in, labeling the prosecution as a witch hunt and using it to justify imposing tariffs on Brazilian goods. As the political landscape in Brazil continues to evolve, the implications of these developments are significant, not only for Bolsonaro and his supporters, but also for the future of democracy in Brazil. The situation remains fluid, with appeals likely to follow and the potential for further unrest as the public reacts to the ongoing saga. Bolsonaro's legal team is preparing to contest the ruling, asserting that they have not breached any restraining orders. Meanwhile, the international community watches closely, as the fallout from this political drama could have lasting effects on Brazil's governance and its relationship with the United States. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.